So you are wondering if this cordless microblading tattoo pen kit gives you everything needed to start practicing. So I'm going to show you. The brand sent this to me to make a video for you guys, showing how it works. This kit includes the rechargeable pen, multiple cartridge, and microblading needles, 6 pigment colors, practice skins. This is the mouth, this is the eye. And you can practice eyebrows on this one as well. Mapping tools, ink cups, gloves, and other accessories for eyebrow and lip practice. The pen has an adjustable 5 to 12 volt output and a 1400 mAh battery, so you can use it without the cord once it's charged. People often ask whether it's difficult to set up or whether instructions are included. The basic setup is straightforward. Press the middle button for 3 seconds to activate the pen. Install the cartridge, select your speed, and test the machine on the included practice scale before working on anyone. As for how quickly you will see the difference, that depends heavily on your training, technique, pigment choice, and practice. So this is not something where the tool alone guarantees professional results, because microblading and cosmetic tattooing break the skin. Proper sanitation, local licensing requirements, and professional training are extremely important. So if you're learning permanent makeup and want an all-in-one kit for supervised practice, this gives you a broad selection of tools in one package. I'll also leave the link in this video so you can take a closer look.